That information, of course, in our subsequent bulletins. Now, lack of capacity, resources and experts play a major role in hindering the fight against transnational organized crime. According to Chief Justice Koome, these factors also play a key role in failing to stop illicit financial flows in Africa. The Chief Justice spoke in Mombasa.
Transnational organized crimes and illicit financial flows are not just legal issues. They are deep-seated threat to our social fabric, like other speakers have said. They are a threat to our economies, and they are a threat to our governance structures. They threaten our shared vision of a prosperous, secure, and peaceful Africa. From Cape Town to Cairo to Dakar to Mogadishu, we have witnessed how transnational crimes disrupt our societies. We have witnessed human trafficking. We have witnessed narcotic trade, illegal arms dealing. We have witnessed cybercrime, wildlife poaching, counterfeiting, and the alarming growth of illicit financial flows that have cast a shadow of darkness over our development aspirations. Even more concerning is the fact that most vulnerable of our societies are the ones who bear the brunt of these crimes. From children ensnared in human trafficking to communities wrecked by drug epidemics, indeed, the human costs of this endemic problem cannot be calculated because it is immeasurable.
Kenya and Burundi are working closely to ensure stronger regional